Hello, my name's Hayley and I work for Little Scientists, and today we're going to be looking at fizzy water. Cheers. Now, this is a great activity to do during morning tea. Remember, Little Scientists is all about science in STEM in the everyday. So why set up an activity? Why not just tap into something that you're doing already? So we have some fizzy water here. We have a little bit of morning tea. Now, this is a really strange selection. I had to work with what I had at home. So I have some sultanas. I have a marshmallow, and I really don't know what's going to happen with that. I have obviously got the Mentos, and you'll see why later. I've got some seeds. These are sesame seeds. Just do be careful of allergies, obviously. We have a fluffy ball. And we have a few beads. Now, I was actually looking for some larger wooden beads, okay? But do, obviously, if you're in a childcare centre, think about choking hazards and do be careful, okay? So all I'm going to do is drop these various things into the fizzy water, and I'm going to use a magnifying glass to actually observe what's happening. What we're looking for is the development of that fabulous language. Okay, so we're tapping into that language development, that ability to observe and look at what's happening. Now, this actual activity is straight out of our chemical reactions workshop, but what you're actually seeing here is not a chemical reaction. Okay, and there'll be a little bit more about that in the PDF and also if you attend the workshop. Okay. So let's just have a look. So I'm first of all going to put my seeds in. Now, the great thing about doing this with you today is that actually I'm not really sure what's going to happen myself. Poke these and see whether any of them sink. It's quite a good floating and sinking activity as well. Some of them are bobbing down, and as they bob down, as my finger touches the fizzy water, more bubbles of carbon dioxide appear. Let's try one of my sultanas. Wow, that was quite a good reaction. Oh, and I'm not sure whether you can see that, but my sultana hopefully will be rising up and bobbing up and down. Oh, come on, sultana, don't let me down here. It's sort of making the effort. I might try another one, see whether that makes any difference. Raisins probably work better for this, but I don't have a raisin. It's making an effort. Some of the bubbles of carbon dioxide are, there he went. Some of the carbon dioxide bubbles are trapped under that sultana, and there it goes, it's floating up and down. Okay, I have my fluffy ball. Not sure what's going to happen there. That one's just floating. There goes my other sultana, perfect. I've got some beads here. Now, notice the way the bubbles latch on around the outside of all of those things. Now I'm putting in a bead. The beads are good. Oh, look at that one bobbing up and down. That's quite impressive. The beads are quite good because obviously they aren't reacting in any way with the water, but they're still producing carbon dioxide bubbles. And then the last thing I'm going to add is one of my Mentos. Okay, and we'll see what happens. Now remember, this is not a chemical reaction. This is actually something different, okay? And read about that in our PDF. Here we go. A huge amount of bubbles. Okay, that is really bubbling away there. Now, there'll be a detailed explanation of what's going on in our PDF. I hope to see you back here for another Little Scientist at Home at some time soon. Thank you.